So now let's see how we can work around with the flame effect inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with the flame effect, first of all, I'm going to select out a layer right here, and then I'm going to go around and select out this pen tool right here. And then I'm simply going to go around and draw out a path right here, just like this. So once I go around over here onto this path, I can go around onto filter right here, and then go to render, and then what I can do is I can go around and select out flames right here. So then what happens is that it takes the reference to this particular path that I drew, and then you can go around and render out multiple flames or multiple flame in one direction right here, and choose the type of flame that you want. So I'm selecting candlelight right here, and you can change around the width and then length according to the type of flame that you choose right here, just like this. So you can go around and adapt interval for loops as well, just like this, and change around the different settings according to how you want. Let me just go around and choose candlelight right here, just like this, and change around the width right here, just like this. So right now the quality is low, but you can really make it fine as well. And you can change around the color of the flame according to how you want as well, just like this, and press OK, and the flame color changes out. If I were to go to advanced, then you can change around the turbulent right here, and then go around onto jag right here, change around the opacity, change around the line right here, just like this, and so forth, and change around the effect according to how you want. Press OK, and then you got the flame effect right here or over here on where you have the path, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can work around with the flame effect inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.